Hi everyone, welcome to Touch Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Netflix app on your Mac. This is very easy to do and it will give you the opportunity to have your favorite movies and series with very easy access. So let's do it. First, we're going to open our web browser. I'm going to use Safari and then you're going to go to netflix.com. So now we are here. I'm going to move my web browser window a little bit. And you're going to take the link that appears at the upper right part and we're going to drop the link on the desktop of my Mac. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to search for an image for our application. So we're going to open a new window and here you're going to search for Netflix logo transparent. Here we're going to click on images. And now we're going to have many options. Let's choose the one that you like the most. I'm going to use this one. So now what I'm going to do is we're going back to our desktop. We're going to select our Netflix app. And at the upper left part of your computer, you're going to find the option File. Here, you're going to click on Get Info. And this new window will appear. So now let's go back to the web browser where the images are. And you're going to take the one that you choose. You're going to drop it at the Get Info window where the HTTP image is. And as you can see now, it's going to have the Netflix logo that you choose. So let's try if it works. Now we're going to close this Get Info window and we're going to double click on the new app. And there you go. This is a really easy way to get to your Netflix account. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!